How to find friends near me on Snapchat. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to make new friends on the Snapchat application that are located near you. So first off, you need to sign in to your Snapchat account. Once you are signed in, all you have to do is to click on the magnifying glass icon that's on the upper left corner of the screen. When you click on it, you just need to type in or search your city that you are currently living at. When you click on search, you just type in the city. After that, it will show a lot of options or results from the new friends or adding friends, subscribing an account. So all you have to do is to scroll down, and then under places you will be able to click on the city that you typed in. When you click on it, you will be able to view different snaps from different people that are on the same city as you are. Okay, so what you can do here is you can browse on the snaps that are on that location, and then if you are interested with the snap of that specific person, you can go ahead and click on their profile. And another option here for you is that you can click on the three dots icon on the lower right corner of the screen, and then you can go ahead and send a snap for them to be informed that you want to make friends with them. Another feature here with Snapchat is that you can actually view the different people that is surrounding you that are using Snapchat. As you can see, I may have a few friends in Snapchat, so they may not show on my end, but once you do have a lot of friends, they will definitely show up as well once they are online. And that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.